What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about installing Screen Fetch within Debian version 13. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is all about installing Screen Fetch. There's a bunch of fetches. There's NeoFetch, Fast Fetch, and then Screen Fetch. The one that I like the most would be Screen Fetch, and this is how I installed it. So I open up the terminal. Great. And the command that I used was the following. Bam. Sudo apt-get install screen fetch. Super simple. We are going to hit enter on the keyboard, and then it's going to prompt you. Do you want to continue? Now, most likely if you did sudo, it's going to ask you for your password. For me, it did not ask for my password because I did other things within this machine and I already entered the password. So it still had that sudo token session in the background. So that was awesome. But enter your password, hit enter. You should get this. Do you want to continue? We're going to hit Y on the keyboard and we're going to hit enter. It's going to download the packages. It is going to install the packages and you are done. It is super simple. How to run it? This is how you run it. And this is the command that you're going to use. Bam, screen fetch. How easy is that? We're going to hit enter. Bam. Woo, fancy. I love this. I've seen this like everywhere and I've wanted to do it myself. And this is how you do it. Other images, I've seen people use NeoFetch and Fast Fetch. But again, like I said, I like this one. And this is how you do it. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.